everybody, Mike, Mountain Weekly News. Check it out. I'm here with the Black Widow Pro e-bike motorcycle fat tire bike carrier. One of the cool things about this bike rack is it comes with its own ramp, hooks onto the back side of the ramp, and then voila, you can certainly ride your bike right up that. What's cool about this rack as well is it has a 400-pound weight capacity on a single tray. One of the things about this rack though that you'll notice is it does not have any straps. So they actually sell cam straps that you can attach to this. So if you are going to buy this rack, you can either buy it with the straps or buy them on your own. Weighs just about 40 pounds for an aluminum rack. So when you need to actually take this off the hitch and move it, it's not going to be too heavy, easy maneuver. Really straightforward to the point, but if you're just looking for a solid way to transport your motorcycle, your dirt bike, or even your e-bike, fat tire bikes, the Black Widow Pro motorcycle ramp.